Butterflies, wonders in the insect world. Butterflies are insects known for their beauty and grace. While their shapes and colors vary, there are several fascinating facts that make butterflies unique and astonishing. Amazing life cycle. Butterflies undergo complete metamorphosis, involving 4 stages: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and imago, adult. This process is one of the greatest wonders in the insect world. Variety of colors and patterns. Butterflies are renowned for the beautiful colors and patterns on their wings. They can have spectacular color combinations, and these patterns often serve as a form of protection against predators. Short lifespan. The lifespan of a butterfly is relatively short, usually ranging from a few weeks to a few months, depending on the species. However, the larval or caterpillar stage typically spends more time in its life. Unique olfactory system. Butterflies have highly sensitive antennae that play a crucial role in finding food and mating partners. They use their antennae to detect pheromones and provide information about their surroundings. Importance in ecosystems. Despite their short lives, butterflies play a crucial role in ecosystems as pollinators. They contribute to the pollination of plants, supporting the sustainability of plant life and most ecosystems around them. Long-distance migration. Some butterfly species are known for long-distance migration, such as the monarch butterfly. They can travel hundreds to thousands of kilometers to reach breeding grounds or warmer locations. Diverse habitats. Butterflies can be found in various habitats, ranging from rainforests to grasslands and urban gardens. They utilize various types of plants as their habitats, and certain species have specific habitat preferences. Threats to populations. Butterflies face threats from climate change, habitat loss, pesticide use, and air pollution. Conservation and environmental protection efforts are crucial to ensure